To send money, start by accessing the WorldRemit app on your mobile phone or visit the official website, worldremit.com, on your browser. First, log into your account. Then tap on the Send Money option. You can use a bank transfer to securely send money to the Philippines. Choose the country from which you are sending the money, and the currency will be automatically updated. Next, select the receiving method, which includes airtime top-up, available for certain countries. Enter the recipient's phone number. Then choose the top-up amount. The fee and transfer time will be displayed, along with the total cost after tapping Continue. You will see the available methods for the recipient to receive the money. Once you have completed these steps, you can send the money to the recipient's account, and they will receive it after verifying their ID. This process allows you to securely send money, and the recipient will be able to receive it easily.